Understanding Eat Your Cake in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, eat your cake. This phrase, often misunderstood or used in varied contexts, holds intriguing meanings and uses in the English language. So, let's explore what it truly means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Stay tuned to enhance your English language skills. The phrase, eat your cake, is actually a shortened form of a more famous saying, you can't have your cake and eat it too. This proverb dates back to the 16th century and is used to convey a simple yet profound truth. Once you consume something, you no longer have it. It's a lesson in decision-making and understanding the nature of choices and their consequences. At face value, eat your cake sounds like a straightforward command to consume a delicious dessert. However, in a figurative sense, it represents the idea of using or enjoying a resource, with the understanding that once it's gone for good. It's a reminder of the irreversible nature of some decisions and actions. You might hear this phrase in various contexts. For example, in decision-making, when someone is trying to make two incompatible choices, like wanting to save money but also wanting to spend it on something extravagant. In discussions of consequences, highlighting that every choice has a consequence and you can't always enjoy the benefits of both sides of a decision. It's important to note that eat your cake is often misused or confused with its original form. People sometimes use it to mean enjoying something to the fullest, which is not entirely accurate. Remember, the focus of the phrase is on the mutually exclusive nature of some choices. And that's a wrap on Eat Your Cake. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing English phrase and its proper use. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and nuances they convey. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey of language learning. See you in the next video.